guys, welcome to this interesting episode, another interesting episode at Oh Mind Your Body, where we are going to talk about another different type of a disease and what is basically anemia. Let's get to know what is anemia, what are the factors that cause anemia, and what can we do to overcome anemia, what to do to understand if we are anemic, and what happens when we are anemic. Do salads help us in combating with anemia? Let's get knowing these questions quickly with our dietitian Riya Doshi, who has been answering all our questions so patiently and helping us address all the health issues that we have. So we at Oh Mind Your Body deliver fresh homemade exotic salads across Mumbai and also sushi, and we teach you all amazing people how to make some amazing sushi and some amazing healthy foods. To know more, you can always DM and ask. And my name is Dhwani Gala. I am the founder and owner of this Oh Mind Your Body brand, where we do all of this, and we'll quickly start our today's live with dietitian Riya Doshi, who's the founder and owner at Yellow Bowl. They deal with lifestyle and a holistic approach. They deal with everything under one roof. So thank you guys for joining in. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure having you all. I'm so glad that you all guys have joined us today. Let's get Yellow Bowl on oh god, I can't. Let's get her on board with us. Yeah. We're just waiting today. The network is weird. I just pray that the network doesn't whatever. Like, hi, how are you?
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Awesome. So yes, how's the winters treating you?
Yeah, I think I don't like winters that much because it gets dull very early. I don't like to get such sunsets, but I like winters in general because of the weather that becomes a little bit cooler. We can't say cold in Mumbai, but yeah, a little bit cooler, and at least you don't sweat.
Absolutely.
So let's quickly get started today.
Yes.
I'm sorry, how is your winter going? I should ask you.
Oh, very. No, that's okay. Pretty hectic by God's grace. There's so much of work. I am like really running, and have launched. I mean, we together have, launched the 21 days program, weight loss program challenge, and that's been really amazing. Every morning I just wake up and I just see the group first, and it is very exciting and motivating to see others motivated at the same time. So yeah, pretty new things happening actually. So very exciting.
So awesome. That's so awesome, right?
Yeah.
That's great. Chalo, let's get started. Which is my first question is, Riya, what is anemia?
See, anemia is nothing that means, there is less oxygen that is carried in the entire body through your blood. Okay. So anemia is a condition where there is less or lack of iron in your body. Now, anemia can be of various actually types. Okay. But the major reasons what I am here talking about nutritional anemia could be because of iron deficiency anemia. That is very important. Folic acid anemia and B12, vitamin B12 anemia. So these are the three major types which we can improve through the help of diet. Okay, and that's what we're going to talk about.
Great. So who are susceptible to, anemia basically?
Okay, the susceptible group is of course the females, okay, the women. Especially the women who are menstruating because, there is blood loss every month and they have to cope up with it kind of iron. So, yes, they do require a good amount of iron. Any growing girl, okay, a pregnant woman, okay, and even women who is lactating, they all require iron because pregnancy में सबसे ज़्यादा iron चाहिए. Because it's not only for the mother, it's for the child as well. So they are the most vulnerable group or most susceptible to be deficient in iron. All right. Another group is your kids. Okay. So kids basically have this condition called as pica. Okay. You have seen kids, in fact, my kid did that. All right. And so I understood. आपने देखा है बचपन में these kids they just peel off the wall paints and they want to eat चूना खाते हैं, right? This is not calcium deficiency, it's an iron deficiency. People mistaken it for calcium and
Yes.
calcium भर भर के. Okay, but it's actually an iron deficiency. So kids are prone to it because they are growing. Okay, someone who has some metabolic disorder, yeah, some disease which hampers the absorption of iron, okay, is susceptible to iron deficiency anemia. Okay, so these are one very, susceptible groups. Okay, and the last category is the geriatric, that is the older population, the aged population, because of the amount of food that they do not eat well, okay, or maybe healthy, or the choices, and because they're so rigid in choosing their food, they are more susceptible in that term.
Okay. And so we are saying that males are not at that high risk?
Generally not. Okay, because the loss of blood is, or the requirement is not that higher. Generally, I have hardly seen any male to be an iron deficient. Okay, they can be folic acid deficient or maybe B12 deficient, but iron deficiency anemia बहुत कम देखा है.
Great.
All right.
So,
Yeah.
what are the health implications of being anemic here?
So basically, see the major symptoms, when one gets anemic is shortness of breath. It becomes a little difficult to breathe, or even if you're breathing well, everything is fine, but you still feel that, you're tired, you're fatigued all the time. Okay, you're exhausted all the time. Thoda sa chale, there are conditions where the person is sitting and just breathing and then he still feels tired. आप सो के उठे, no matter how much you are sleeping, you still want to go to sleep because you're tired all the time. So, these are the major indications of iron deficiency or anemia, rather. The other deficiency, the other implications are there is, apart from fatigue and getting exhausted, you feel so much less of energy. There's no, you cannot be active. You do not feel good. There's loss of memory because iron is required for your brain. Okay. So आपने देखा होगा, there's conflict में iron है, मेरा बच्चा तेज है. Okay, it's because of the iron. Okay, you need iron for your memory. Okay. And another very big implication where iron has really become a hero today, okay, is in the pandemic. Okay, because it does help in bringing up your immunity. Apart from that, loss of hair. When you think that you're losing a lot of hair, one of the reasons could be iron deficiency.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So people, calcium, protein, iron, and women do face this. Okay. Of course, when there is so much of tea, coffee added to your food, kuch log hote hain, they have a lot of habit of having a lot of tea, coffee in their food. So that hampers the absorption of iron.
Caffeine, no?
Caffeine. Yes. Okay, calcium and iron taken together interferes. So again, absorption nahi hota hai. So, and simple things. So these are the few health implications which people can relate to. Okay, apart from that, there are many others, physiological changes in the cells and all, which is not really needed to discuss here because they're all medical reasons. Okay, but what is in our hand is, there's few reasons that we can take care.
So let's quickly get to this. What foods prevent anemia?
There are many foods. Okay. सबसे पहले है your green leafy vegetables. Okay. Palak is the hero when it comes to iron. Okay. Cereals में you have nachni. You have bajra. Okay. Very, very famous for increasing your iron or hemoglobin content. Okay. When you take non-vegetarian, okay, red meat is very good. Okay, so though we are not very much, I do not advocate a lot of non-vegetarian food. but this is for people who have non-veg. Okay, but you know, red meat again has different implications, so need to take an advice before choosing that, right? Any red color fruit, okay, especially your pomegranate. So if someone is iron deficient or has anemia, it's amazing. Like it will be an amazing choice to have one pomegranate every single day. Choose a
Okay.
pomegranate to eat. So one red color fruit. Usme bhi pomegranate. Okay. Another thing is your anjeer and dates. They are very good source of iron. Okay. So these are, and jaggery. And honestly, you know, these organic jaggeries do wonders apart from, you know, those sulfur rich. Okay. And your till seeds, your flax seeds, your chia seeds. Chia seeds has so much of iron. Your black tail seeds are preferred over the white ones because you know when you polish when do you get a white color? When you polish your black color. So that skin is removed from the black, okay, to make it look nicer, okay, and more edible. So in that process, you're just you know doing away with your you know very important micro nutrients, and that one of them is your iron. Okay,
Right.
so आप देखोगे यू नो बच्चों को गुड़ गुड़ की चीजें देते हैं यू गिव जैगरी में बनी हुई चीजें यू नो एंड प्योर हनी आल्सो हैज सम अमाउंट ऑफ आयरन so that cannot so these are some of the very important vital ones which can be otherwise included in your diet.
Great. I think very well addressed. And let's quickly get to our next question, which is, do salads help in preventing anemia?
Absolutely. So when it comes to vegetarian diet, okay, going on vegetarian or plant-based diet, trust me, vegetables and salads play a very vital role in increasing your minerals. See, major minerals, the major sources of any vitamins and minerals, they are present in your fruits, in your vegetables and salads. Okay, so regular consumption of them definitely increases. So then you have to make a choice in choosing your vegetables or salads. Green leafy vegetables, very important. Okay, जैसे मैंने कहा पहले, it's palak. Okay, one of the ace one. Okay, even kale. I mean, kale is, I think, one of the super rich green leafy food that I can suggest to anybody. Okay.
Yes.
Then you have your carrot, your beet. Even the leaves of the beet are amazing. You cannot just ignore them. Like, जब भी कोई आता है, there's one drink that I always suggest. Okay, beet gajar ka juice पी लो. If you can add little palak, amazing, and little lime to it. This is what I do suggest. You know, when someone comes with an iron, आप ये लो, you are bound 1 week and you're bound to increase your hemoglobin levels. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि वो increase ना हो.
Great.
Okay.
So I would like to address one question over here, Rhea. When we have the beet ka thing, right? There are some people who complain about their bowels or their urine becoming red or pink.
Yeah. So beet is a very highly naturally pigmented vegetable. Okay. So it is okay if your stools or of your urine have changed color because of your consumption. So there is no need to worry on it because you are giving your body that kind of natural color. So you're bound to change. You're bound. So if you have a lot of greens, okay, you will see your poop having green color. So that's completely okay. So not, I mean, in short, not to worry anything about.
Great. So last question. What are the 6 tips to prevent anemia, Rhea?
Okay. The first and the foremost thing is whenever you have any iron-rich food, okay, that just I'll give you an example of poha. Poha is iron-rich, okay. Always add vitamin C, that is your lemon, or maybe have an orange with it. You know, put lemon on it, या एक orange खा लो, या जो गाजर बीट पालक का juice है, you can add the orange in it so that you know the absorption of iron is much more. Okay, so vitamin C enhances your iron absorption. वो जल्दी जल्दी absorb करता है. Okay, so first tip is that you should have your iron rich food with vitamin C. Now the second thing is try and keep a gap if you're taking supplements. okay, or even in terms of food, okay, try and take iron and calcium separately because calcium will hinder the absorption of iron. ठीक है, पोहा खा रहे हो, लाइम डाल रहे हो, मगर दूध पी रहे हो साथ में. You understand this kind of food can,
Yes.
have this reverse reaction. So one needs to really take care. See, when it comes to addressing any deficiency, one does focuses a lot on कि क्या लेना है, मगर क्या नहीं लेना है. You need to take care of that also. Okay. Okay. So if the third tip is, okay, if you're including, your oil seeds, till seeds, your flax, your chia seeds, your sunflower, you're bound to have a lot of iron. You're naturally inculcating a lot of iron in very small amounts, especially the black till. So always choose black till over white till. Okay. The fourth point here is that whenever you have iron-rich food, also avoid a lot of fiber with it. Okay, because fiber and very high source of protein again interferes with the absorption.
Okay.
So one needs to really take care. And yes, tea, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला, tea and coffee, the last thing, tea and coffee drinkers, you need to have gap, or else choose healthier version of tea or coffee, which is now very easily available because they have caffeine, they have tannins, which these tannins basically, forget caffeine, I'm not worried about caffeine so much, but tannins, they hamper the absorption of iron in your body.
Yes.
So if you're looking to increase your iron content, okay, you need to first avoid these things or take care of these things and then start including the iron-rich food. सारा एक साथ मत खाइए. You may find yourself constipated at the end of the day. Okay, some people go crazy eating a lot of iron in a day. Okay, so iron can constipate you, especially when they have supplements of iron. So that needs to be taken care. Also, if you're taking everything, you're taking care of vitamin C and iron and everything. There are two other ingredients or minerals, vitamins that you cannot ignore. One is your folic acid. That is folate-rich foods like beans, sprouts, leafy green, spinach, avocados. ये आपके folic acid deficiency का they will take care. Okay. And B12. Okay. So B12 in forms of supplement or in forms of your, so dahi दूध लेने से अच्छा you can take dahi or sprouts is one of the best form of vitamin B12. Okay, nutritional yeast. Okay, you always vouch for it.
Yes.
Right? And I see you using it in a lot of recipes, right?
Yes.
So yes, nutritionally, yeast is one of the very good source of vitamin B12 for vegetarians. Okay, and having enough plant-based food will increase your iron. Okay, so these are the few tips that if someone can remember and start applying one by one, I think they will be solved.
Great. I think very, very well addressed, Riya. Thank you. Thank you so much for addressing all the questions so nicely. So we'll just check if we have any questions, or our audience is already very clear with everything that we've spoken.
I don't think so.
Questions are there which are not supposed to be spoken, but I think our audience is pretty clear. Thank you, guys. We love you. So yeah, I think we had a very nice session. I really enjoyed it. And thank you so much, Riya, once again.
Yes. Thank you so much, Dhwani. And this is one topic which is really, really honestly ignored. हाँ नींद में है ना गोली लेके ठीक हो जाएगा. But people don't focus on the food, right? Which is so important, which is permanent and consistent, right? So of course, even I like talking about it. See, there's a much more to iron deficiency or anemia in short. But at this platform right now, what a lay person can relate to, I think if they can start applying, amazing. So even I love talking
and I hope that they start applying and get the benefits from the best that we have offered, and let them get back to us once they have applied.
Yes. So there are these, anemia related information in my post. There is a recipe of a juice. You guys can try it out. Okay.
Yes, I
And
think you
if
should
any
go
issue,
and
you
check
can
out
DM.
yeah, you should go and check out Ria's page, because there's a lot of information that you'll get on every topic that we are talking about. And that's about it. I think you should go and check her page out before I start saying a lot of things about her. So her page has a lot of
Thank
information, guys. Go have a look.
Thank you so much, Dhwani, and thank you for being such a lovely audience. Very, very motivating.
Yeah. Great. Chalo, Ria.
All right,
See
thank
you.
you.
Thank
See you
you.
next Wednesday, same
Yes,
time,
same
again
time. Yes,
with
same
another
time.
condition, with another good
Bye.
health condition. Bye.
So here we are signing off. Dhwani Gala, founder and owner at Oh Mind Your Body, where we deliver fresh homemade salads and sushi across Mumbai and teach you on amazing people how to make some amazing sushi and some amazing health foods. Thank you guys for being such a beautiful audience. Love you. Take care.